All right, guys. So that felt a little complicated. I didn't expect for it to be that complicated because I think it was as soon as we injected the script into the page, then we lost all access to the Chrome APIs and stuff, and that just started a snowball effect of having to account for it. But essentially, we've got this created. It's working fully. And now we just need to make it a little prettier. And then I'm going to show you guys how to upload it to the web store. So I think all we really need to do is style these A elements. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to style one, and then I'll copy it to my style sheet. So display is going to be block. Padding is going to be 10 pixels. Color is going to be kind of a dark there. And then that's it. So when we hover, we're going to actually have a hover effect. So let's jump over here to our Swagify. And let's say video download drop down A. Style it like that. And then video download drop down a hover. We're going to set the background to a shade of gray. So I'm going to save this, reload, I'm going to refresh it. When I click that, we get that. But we need to make our actual container not have a height. It's going to be an automatic height kind of thing. Save, reload, refresh, and there we go. Now we could also, and I think we should actually, set also the type, the file type in brackets. So in the inner text itself, right here, we're also going to get the video's extension. So we're going to say video URLs, the current index, type, split. We're going to split it at the first slash and get the first element after that, and then split that at the semicolon and get that. So then we're going to do this right here. Open a comma, add ext, and then close the brackets. I think I said comma, I meant bracket. So let's save it, reload. Let's reload this now. And we see the different formats there too, which is exactly what we want. We don't want that text underline either. So we're going to set text decoration to none, but we're also going to change the color to a harder black. Save it, reload, refresh this, and there we go. This is our extension, guys. It is going to work, which is so cool because we've just created something that actually solves a problem. And then every time we click the download button, we're going to hide the parent. So let's say let's just copy this stuff right here. We don't really need to do anything else. Save, refresh, just because we don't need to do anything different. We can kind of just, download it, and then the drop down disappears, and there we go. So guys, this is a basic, Chrome extension that got a little more complicated than I thought. Simple YouTube downloader. We're not going to have a menu. I think I want to put together a whole mini course on Chrome extensions because we literally just scratched the surface on this one. But let's try and get that share icon removed. See if they have a download button or icon. No, they don't. All right, so we could go ahead and add our own icon here. And for the sake of just getting this done, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to leave it as it is for right now. But if you guys want to, go ahead and add icons and stuff, go for it. I'm going to try and this way find the share icon and let's just change that to download. Maybe later on at some point we'll style that different, but for right now we've got our download button and options to download any video on YouTube that we want, which is so much easier than the other way. It took a bit of time to program this, but obviously if this is something that we do a lot, if we download YouTube videos a lot, this is going to speed up things intensely for doing that. And so that's why we're doing this. Now, in order to upload it to the web store, what I've got to do is log into my other account here. Go ahead here, and we go to web store. Oh, sorry, it's chrome.google.com/webstore/developer/dashboard. It's probably going to ask you to log in, so I'm going to log in. And I think you have access to this, but you don't have the ability to publish things until you pay a $5 fee. So you're going to have to do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here, WebStorm projects, and we actually need to zip that up. So Jermaine, WebStorm, simple DL. There we go. So this is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything here and right click. And we're going to compress two items to archive.zip. Now in here, I can upload the archive.zip, upload that. And now we can start adding stuff. Now I haven't added an icon yet. I'm going to let you guys configure this on your own. I'm going to do my own. But I'm not going to do that right now. You can add descriptions, icons, screenshots, links, etc. You can fill this all out, and you can actually also sell it if you'd like. You can change the pricing there. Now, two things that are necessary is category and then also language. You need to manually set those two. But if there's nothing else, then you can just leave it on public, private, or unlisted. Private will mean only testers in your account can see it in the web store, and then click Publish Changes. Now that is going from start to finish on how to get a Chrome extension built and into the web store. Now the publishing process takes about 60 minutes typically, or within that time frame, after which point you can send the link to everybody you know, and they can just go to the web store and they would actually be able to find your extension. So thank you guys for watching this video and the entire course. I'm going to do one more video for this course, and then we're going to say farewell. And that video is going to be an attempt to get you guys set up to actually do web development as a full-time gig, if you're interested in that. And I'm just going to go over some experiences of my own in that regard, and kind of provide tips and advice for getting started.